बैचलरेट है और 3 लड़के अपनी दोस्त को बैचलरेट पे लेके जा रहे हैं। आई वाज लाइक यार कूल, लेट्स डू इट।
3 लड़के
नॉट एग्जैक्टली।
अच्छा ऐसा पहली बार
three handsome boys who will not go.
अच्छा सर हम चले गए, हमने लड़की को बोल दिया कि तू भी लड़का बन जा इस ट्रिप के लिए, तू बैचलर डेट के लिए, तो वो आदत से
I like how we are promoting my previous movie till now. Man to man, I am a man. For all
सर
my
ये बहुत
movies.
इजी हो गया था हमारे लिए भी, सबके लिए बहुत इजी हो गया था। वो उसने अपने आप को ढाल लिया, वो उसने देख लिया कि हम तो चेंज नहीं हो सकते, लड़के तो चेंज नहीं होंगे, तो आता नहीं अपने
है ना,
आप
मैं लड़का लग रही हूँ ना पोस्टर।
हॉलिडे एक्चुअली जैसे आप कह रहे थे अभी कि ये एक शो है जिसमें आपने हमेशा देखा है कि 4 लड़के मज़े कर रहे हैं या 4 लड़कियां मज़े कर रहे हैं, तो पहली बार है कि इट्स गोना बी अ मिक्स ऑफ जेंडर्स एंड हाउ वी आर इन इंडिया, वी हैव फ्रेंड्स, चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स एंड बिल्डिंग फ्रेंड्स, इट डजंट मैटर वेदर यू आर अ गाय और अ गर्ल, you can go for a holiday together. You know, I see that most parents might not allow one girl to go with 3 guys, but now hopefully they will. You know, someone takes the first step, and what we're trying to show is actually a friendship between 4 people. It doesn't matter whether you're a girl or a guy, and it's 2020, guys and girls can still be friends without them having romantic relationships, and that is what we're trying to promote. Having said that, this is not an Oscar-winning show or anything that has a message and stuff like that. It's time pass. You have fun. We had a lot of fun making it,
Yes.
and you all will have fun watching it.
मैं कबीर से रिलेट करता हूँ बिकॉज जो लाइफ की सिचुएशन है, उम्र सेम है, शहर में काम करने वाले लोग हैं, कुछ ऐसे इश्यूज हैं जो सेम है कि मतलब कोई चीज़ सीधी नहीं बोलनी, 2 दिन बाद बोल दी, 3 दिन बाद बोल दी, रिएक्ट कर दिया, लड़ पड़े, एंजॉय कर लिया, प्रैंक कर लिया। सो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आई रिलेट टू कबीर इन दिस शो।
मैं बात करूँ पैट्रिक की, तो प्रियांक और पैट्रिक काफ़ी सिमिलर भी है और थोड़े से अलग भी हैं। एक पैट्रिक एक जो है बेसिकली बहुत पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है बंदा जो है, अगेन वो एक एनर्जी है, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वो लोगों पे डिपेंड करते हैं कैसे आप ले लीजिए, राइट। सो उसके हिसाब से वो सही है, यू नो, ही इज ऑलवेज लाइक अ लिटिल बिट कम्पिटिटिव आल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू हिम, दैट यू नो वन ऑफ द स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग्स इज लाइक इफ ही वांट्स टू बी द बेस्ट मैन, no one else could be. He wants to be, and you cannot mess with him and all of that. So he's always going in that thought process. He's very nice, like when it comes to, you know, helping people also. You get to see that also. And yeah, it is.
Like a 15-year-old in a 24-year-old.
He can never be the best.
Tell us about your
man's character he's a pilot. And जैसा कि ट्रेलर में आपने देखा है that बचपन में पतंगे उड़ाता हूँ और आजकल मैं प्लेन उड़ाता हूँ, तो उड़ते उड़ते मैं अपने कहीं ना कहीं I'm also sort of running away from things. But the beautiful part is that you know how friends are, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, you guys, you know, as friends we always sort of find a way to get together no matter where you are, what you're doing and what stage you are in your life. So I think that's very beautiful. There's something about friendship which people will sort of connect to, they relate to, that आप दुनिया में कहीं भी हो, आपकी अगर फ्रेंड की बैचलर है, और स्पेशली जब हम 3 ऐसे लड़के जा रहे हैं, तो you leave everything and you come back to this world. And I think that in itself, उसके बाद how the character unfolds and what goes on in the turn of events that happens, it's very interesting, and it's a great ride that we've all sort of embarked on together, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it.
I'm Mehak, and it's the first time actually I played a character that I really relate to. I mean, 1920 में I did not relate to my character.
Come on, that was the closest she's been to.
Like I said, after 1920 till now, that is also that now.
Please,
Trust
I'm not
us when I
possessed in
say
real
this.
life. Commando, I had the accent. That's just for you, Ashin. Because you're on drugs, I do it just for you. For your entertainment.
You mean Arman? Come on, just say it.
It's okay, we can. This is for you.
But why do you have to tell everybody that I'm on drugs? Yes, I thought this was our thing.
So anyway, so yes, I play a character who I relate to. I talk like how I do in real life. And I think every girl who's watching this show will relate to Mehak in some way. In real life, I have guy friends जो मैं जिनको मैं जानती हूँ स्कूल से, तो it was quite easy hanging out with these guys. They made things really easy and lots of fun.
But हमें तो स्कूल से नहीं था.
Yeah, and it was not easy.
It was not easy.
We were in the
It
same
was very
year.
difficult to work with.
It was
It was quite a. Initially हमें लगा था कि हम Mauritius experience करेंगे, but अब finally मुझे लगता है और हम I think we all agree that Mauritius experience.
Yes.
You know, it was हम गए तो करने थे वो trip, but हमारा जो the way we came back and now as you see everybody smiling and I can't stop talking about the holiday because we had that much fun. And I just hope it like transforms and transcends well into what we've done and the way it comes out. So
The best part is like, you know, we say that it's a say that it's they're the friends and they are your partners in crime. Actually, we are the people who are partners in crime. I should be saying.
We're the criminal and he's the one who's.
आशिम भी लड़की है ना, आज
वो
तो
लड़का है,
लड़की
लड़की भी बन जाती है। बहुत इजी। आप बोलिए कि 3 लड़कियां या 1 लड़का या 3 लड़कियां 1 लड़की, एक ही बात।
बस
I
इंग्लिश
don't know, देखो
में
competition, craziest का competition देखो, I don't know कौन जीतेगा. As you can see now, they are all quite mad, so I don't know who to pick. आप show देखिए and you choose who's the
मेरी favorite destination was Cuba, Havana, and because it's a communist place, so everyone's equal. There's no poor or rich, old people also. So that was a eye opener for me. So definitely Cuba, and now Mauritius.
Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. I really like both the states. They're pretty good, and I would say pretty cool.
Priyank?
I've not traveled much outside India, honestly. So this was my second country, but I still give it to Mauritius because it was actually, and I really feel that it's not gonna be. It's a tough fight. Any other trip has to give to my Mauritius trip with these set of crazy.
season 2.
We'll
We will
take
take
it
you somewhere else and make
We'll be
up.
making something. So, with them only. So it's, I think it's them, not the country.
So as you know that I'm very fond of wildlife. I went to Africa in the recent past. And that was something that I really like because I love wildlife and it was amazing. Africa is
Thanks, brother.
I've been to Mauritius before when I was in the 5th standard with my dad and mom. So it was nice to go there again. Yeah. With not my dad and mom and so.
ओके अगर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर लुक यू नो आप हमेशा चर्चे में रहती हैं अपने लुक के लिए जब आप अपने लुक्स के साथ में एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हैं और इस बार हॉलीडे के लिए भी आपके लुक को बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है तो वाज इट योर इनपुट की इनपुट किसी और का
No, it was
Director को
completely
मोरनी
I had nothing to do with that. Yeah, as you
डायरेक्टर
can
को
see,
मोरनी बहुत पसंद है and when they were casting they wanted a girl who can represent
more.
more. That was their thing. Yeah. So then I fitted in. But thank you. I'm very happy people like when I try different crazy stuff. So it encourages me to do more crazy stuff. And I can see you giving me dirty looks from there.
Okay.
which color hasn't she worn today? You can tell us.
Okay.
Black.
Okay. Anything you would like to say to audience?
Yeah, guys,
when it
please
will be releasing?
go ahead and watch The Holiday.
The holiday.
अगर आपको लगता है, अगर आपको आप घर से नहीं निकलना चाहते, छुट्टी मनाने के लिए आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, छुट्टी नहीं ले सकते, तो आप घर पे बैठ के पूरा शो देख लीजिए. You will feel like you're on a holiday. It's that much fun.
जो भी इतने का.
Yeah. Say little.
Everything.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Control
7
C, control
p.m.
me.
Saturday.
I'm trying
Zoom Studios. 7 p.m. Saturday,
Yeah.
the 13th.
Makes
Go watch it.
Makes
They made me kiss a girl.
Just pose now. Please watch it.
Hey.
We're vlogging
Let's
you.
try to pose like each other. No?
Yeah.
What do you
Maybe
mean?
other.
You remember how I managed to do this? Like 45 takes. Just this.
No, I'm being Priyanka.
So I'll let me be other.
I'm Adano.
Oh, you are Adano.
Channel then Adano.
We're gonna take some time, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, एक मिनट इसके
Look here.
सर साथ में ये एग्जाम एक मिनट from this side.
Oh my god.
Are you really wearing this?
Yes.
Right.
Thank you.
You guys need to do some fun stuff.
You mean like a boomerang?
No, like pose.
Should we do संदेशे आते हैं?
Just try to disappear.
Boys need to do something really fun.
है ना
Something fun. Boys.
Now
Come on, boys.
it's all about boys.
I've done my fun. I've won horns.
Correct.
My fun is done.
Tell them slow motion walk on the beach. They'll do it.
Yeah. Beach चलते हैं सब. Let's go, everyone. उधर दिखाया तो थैंक यू
But I don't want to do it.
I also don't want to do it. Why are you?